Okay, so people on Google are looking for FILPE shop, that's FILPE shop, and also FlippPep.com, scam and legit and reviews. That website, FLIPPEP.com. You know, they're looking for super cheap electric bikes and other products that are marked down to insane prices. And I'm making this video here on the night of December 4, 2022. And yes, this website is a scam. For example, this FlippPep.com scam website has no reviews for its products and is claiming to be giving away a so-called 2022 latest folding electric bike or a new all-mountain electric bike for 2022, each for only around $29.99 or $29.69. You will never be able to buy a brand new electric bike for $30. I did a reverse image search for the bikes shown on the website, and they are sold for thousands of dollars on legit websites. One of the other items that I noticed on this FlippPep.com scam website is a $29 full-size hot tub. I mean, give me a break. The FlippPep.com scam website, which again has no reviews on the website and is currently claiming to be having a big Black Friday sale, and I think it's like a week or two after Black Friday, for its electric bikes and other products, but you know, it's all nonsense. Finally, I also found insight from a Facebook user. They said, quote, "The company offering Dreambox on Facebook under FlippPep.com is fraudulent. They will take your money, tell you they will email your order info and give you tracking info. They don't email you anything, and after 15 days, then you've been waiting patiently and you go back to the info and the website is no longer available." I also noticed there were several misspellings on the website, like security was spelled wrong for security payments, express delivery, the word express was spelled wrong. A legitimate company is not going to make several spelling errors on their homepage, or at least not several uncorrected errors. And on top of everything else that I mentioned, I had difficulty finding a terms of service, terms and conditions page or a privacy policy page on the website. And a big name website, a legitimate website is going to make those available at the bottom of their website. This one did not. According to the information that I found whenever I did a whois search for FlippPep.com for the domain was registered on a Chinese domain registrar on September 27, 2022. So it's relatively new. So I hope my video helped. If you did fall for this scam, I recommend contacting the payment method you use to ask what you should do, whether it's a bank, credit card company, payment method like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, etc. I'm spending my own free time to make these videos like this one about the FlippPep.com scam and reviews for the electric bikes and the hot tub. And there's even like a Christmas Santa sign that says Merry Christmas or something like that. That's also says like $29, which is not the case. There are so many scams out there, and every day brings new scams, and you can only report on so many of them. So, I figured I could do a little bit more on my own time, on nights and weekends, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Scams can sometimes hurt people. Scams can take money from people, as we all know, and not everyone has money to spare. So I hope I can help you with my channel. So please click the like button, the thumbs up button down below, and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out my creative projects like New York history documentaries, abandoned places, discoveries, that sort of thing in the pinned comment down below. Feel free to share your story in the comments below, have discussions with each other, ask questions. Did you interact with this website? Please tell us your story. Tell us how it was resolved. If it was resolved, what's the status? Give us as many details as you can, because there are people who maybe just made a purchase on this website, something like that, and they're coming to my video and they want guidance. I can only give so much guidance. If you've been through this, help these people out. Tell us your story down below in the comments. And if you can't tell, yes, I am going through a little bit of a cold right now, so my voice is off, clearly, but I'm doing what I can. I hope I sound okay. Thank you so much for watching.